Here we go. Here's the activity. So it's a really short activity. It should take you maybe 15 minutes. If you really want to make it like long, you could take like 30 minutes to do this. But basically, I'm going to give you guys like 4 different tasks to do. And one of them being like a challenge task. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to assign you guys as like a groups of, you guys say 2 or 3. What do you guys like? Yeah, I like 3. Okay, I'm going to go with 3. Honestly, all 3 of you guys can do it separately even, but I think it's kind of nice just to have a different like feel, because especially this challenge one, there's a bunch of different ways you can do this. I'm going to say make a repo, just like you guys had done last week. Share this together, and I'll give you guys instructions on Slack too. But share it together and basically do these different tasks and kind of just fill this up. So you can make a copy of this notebook and just fill it out yourself. So you can see here, create an array of 10 zeros, but the 4th value is 5. You just fill this out. You have an example. And maybe we'll keep this together. Maybe we'll go over it on Friday Feels. Oh, we don't have Friday Feels this week. So we'll actually do Friday Feels next week. But if you guys share it just like last time, share it on Slack, that'd be really cool. All right. And tell you what, I'm gonna make sure, since everyone who's here, I'll take it as everyone who is here. I'll make sure to pair you guys up since you guys have all been exposed to this, which I think that technically makes it maybe uneven. So maybe you got someone will have like a group of 2 or something like that. Okay.